Does your little one love lying on their back all day? Cute, right? But here's the catch. Too much time on the back can give babies a flat spot on their head. The solution, something simple, fun and super powerful, tummy time. So let's learn. What is tummy time? Tummy time simply means placing your baby on their tummy while they are awake and you are watching them and not watching your TV or your mobile. It's like a simple mini workout for your baby, strengthening their back, neck and shoulders. Think of it as baby yoga, helping them prepare for rolling, crawling and eventually sitting up. Imagine your little one doing their first baby push-up. That's tummy time in action. But why is tummy time important? It prevents from that flat head syndrome called positional plagiocephaly. It builds core strength for future milestones and it boosts visual development as the baby lifts their head to look around. It stimulates sensory skills for touching new surfaces. It prepares your baby for big moves like rolling and crawling. It's like training wheels for your baby's motor skills, just like those side wheels on your baby's first bicycle. So how do you start tummy time? Good news, you can start tummy time from day 1 and here's how. Begin with 1 to 2 minutes at a time. Do it several times a day. Use a flat and safe surface like a playmat or a firm bed or even your own chest. Stay close, always supervise. Slowly increase to 20 to 30 minutes a day by 3 to 4 months. Remember, some babies fuss at first. It's totally normal. Think of them like saying, hey, this is hard work. A little practice each day makes them stronger, just like exercise or a gym workout. Fun ways to do tummy time is to lay your baby on their chest. Instant bonding plus tummy workout. Use a rolled towel or tummy pillow under their chest. Get down on the floor with them. Show your face. Sing. Make those funny noises. Use toys or mirrors for entertainment. Here's an important note. Always do it after naps or a diaper change, when your baby is alert and happy. And here's a secret tip. Make tummy time playtime, not a chore. If you're having fun, your baby will definitely have fun too. Here's an age-wise guide for tummy time. For a newborn up to 1 month, start from day 1. Do it for 1 to 2 minutes and do it 2 to 3 times a day. On your chest or your lap works best. The goal here is to get to 10 to 15 minutes per day by the end of month 1. For a baby 1 to 2 month old, give tummy time for 3 to 5 minutes and 3 to 4 sessions per day. This increases it to 15 to 20 minutes a day in total. Use toys, mirrors and keep them engaged. For a 2 to 3 month old baby, do tummy time for 5 to 10 minutes and do it for 3 to 4 sessions a day. The goal is to get to 20 to 30 minutes per day. Your baby starts lifting the head to 45 to 90 degrees. For a 3 to 4 month old, 10 to 15 minutes and 3 to 4 sessions a day. Aim for 30 to 40 minutes per day. Your baby pushes up on forearms, starts rolling. Tummy time is finally playtime. So, tummy time isn't just about preventing a flat head. It's about giving your baby the strength, confidence to explore the world. Start small, keep it fun, and celebrate every tiny milestone. Remember, a few minutes every day adds up to a big difference. Remember, your baby's first crawl, roll, and sit up all begin with simple tummy time. Hope this helped. Keep following for the next newborn course video.